here on this side of the island, the North Shore. This is the side of the island that's constantly being pounded by the waves and weather. Jody, that big black thing right over there, that's called a heiau. Heiaus were ceremonial grounds that were built on all the Hawaiian Islands. Sometimes they were built for war, sometimes for sacrifice, sometimes for giving food to the gods. This is the largest remaining of any of the Hawaiian Islands. It's about the size of a football field, only it's 50 feet tall. Built for war. Called a Pi'ilani heiau. Pi'ilani was one of our kings. Okay, coming up at 11 o'clock, it looks like a park. That's all the Harrison Estate. So it goes from right to our left, all the way down to that little house with a white roof. Big houses in from the point, you can see a truck driving down there.
So beautiful mansions here don't have beach access?
Nope, not on this side of the island. There is no beach. Not until you get almost all the way down to Kahului, the airport.
King and queen would visit all these islands and saw everything. How would they feel about the changes of our land? Could you just imagine if they were around and saw highways on the sacred grounds? How would they feel about this modern city life?
Nahiku, this little town right here, one of our employees lives here. Takes her an hour and 15 minutes to get to work. A lot of times you'll carpool with others. The big valley ahead of us is K&I Valley, largest valley on Maui. Partially made by lava flows, partially by landslides. So Yuka, Gary, you're going to see rock falls coming up on your side, but we're going to head up there because there's a bunch of them coming up.
Be content than and cry. Cry for the gods, cry for the people, cry for the land that was taken away, and then yet you'll find a way.
You can see the road to Hana ahead of us. Look around, you'll start to see waterfalls everywhere.
They came back and saw traffic lights and railroad tracks. How would they feel about this modern city life?
That road doesn't look so bad from up here.
Tears would come from each other's eyes, and they would start to realize that our land is in great, great danger now.
So we're going to head over to my favorite waterfall called Kano. It's over here in the Big Valley. It's a whole series of waterfalls. We'll do a couple of turns there. Okay, Yuka, it's going to be right here. Some of the African tulip trees are really blooming down here. Two little valleys ahead of us is the only place that road to Hano is close to the shoreline. K&I Peninsula off to our 1 o'clock. That's our YMCA Boys and Girls Camp right there, that upper elevation. A lot of taro fields down there.
During whale season, you see the whales swimming?
Jurassic Rock, starting of the first Jurassic Park movie. We'll do a turn here. There's some nice waterfalls off the cliffs there too. So Chad, have you heard of a place on the island called Jaws? Anybody? Have you heard of the Bonsai Pipeline? Big waves. Bonsai Pipeline is on Oahu. Jaws is around the corner. It's the largest wave of the Hawaiian Islands. Gets size 60 to 70 feet during the winter. It's where they actually developed the tow-in surfing, where they tow the surfer in with a sea-doo. If you're a James Bond fan, about 8 James Bond movies ago, where Pierce Brosnan is surfing in at nighttime, that's where they filmed it. It's around the corner. So we'll go up to that point, and then we'll go back on shore. Jody, see the hole in the rock right there? It's an old lava tube. Same thing with the arch. Little town of Helo, all the open fields along the shoreline is where they first started growing pineapple. These were all pineapple fields, which are now cattle